There was a time when I used to sit behind the wheel with trembling hands, heart pounding, and feeling like the road wasn't meant for me. But today, I teach hundreds of nervous drivers. And if I can go from terrified to teaching, then so can you. You were never meant to live in fear of driving. You just needed someone to say, it's okay to start scared. Just don't stay there forever. Stay with me for the next few minutes. This could be the shift your life's been waiting for. Let's be real. You're not just afraid of driving. You're afraid of feeling powerless, afraid of losing control, afraid of being seen as a less than. And maybe no one's said this to you before, but your fear makes sense to me. Fear shows up when something matters. It means there's something big on the other side, and that is growth, confidence, and freedom. Can I ask you something? What has fear of driving stolen from you so far? Drop it in the comments. I want to hear your story. See, I started exactly where you're now. Shaky hands, racing heart, doubting myself at every light. But I stuck with it. Not because I was brave, but because I refused to stay stuck. And today, I teach other nervous drivers how to do the same. I even created something called the Fearful to Fearless course because I realized that learning to drive isn't just about steering and signals. It's about shifting your mindset, building emotional strength, and reprogramming how you see yourself behind the wheel. So if you're watching this and thinking, I just don't need tips, I need a whole new way of thinking, that course was made for you. The link is below. You can pause this video if you need to, but come back because this next part might just unlock something in you. Driving is freedom. It's dignity. It's the power to go where you want, when you want, without waiting on anyone. It's the job opportunity you couldn't take, the parent-teacher meeting you missed, the solo beach trip you've always wanted to take. It's not just about a license, it's about life, and you deserve all of it. So say this with me. I am not my fear. I'm becoming confident behind the wheel. One more time, let's repeat. I am not my fear. I'm becoming confident behind the wheel. Because you're not just learning how to drive, you're becoming someone who believes in themselves again. And trust me, that version of you is already inside of you. You just need a path to bring them out. So here's what I want you to do. Don't overthink the whole journey. Just take one step today. Sit in the car, adjust the seat, and then breathe. Take a short drive, even if it's just around your block. And if your inner critique gets loud, remind yourself, progress is greater than perfection. Remember, progress is greater than perfection. So, what's the thing holding you back right now? Let me know in the comments, please. Because the moment you name that thing that's holding you back, you start to release it. Listen, you weren't born confident, but you were born capable. And the fear you feel right now, it's not the end of your story. It's the beginning of a transformation. You've already taken the first step by watching this. And when you're ready to go deeper, to truly rewire how you see yourself behind the wheel, you know where to find me. If something I said touched your heart or made you feel seen, drop that line in the comments. Let it live there. Let others find strength in your words. And remember, you don't have to start fearless. You just have to start. So let's go. Let's get that fear out of our mind. Subscribe or follow for more real talks like this. And if you're ready to go from fearful to fearless, check the link in the description. Your journey doesn't end here. It's only the beginning. All the best, my friend.